I thought you was getting dressed. Aren't we going out?
Oh, okay. In 1 minute.
Just like gone on YouTube, to give your brain some new food. Because we channel that if you watch, if you subscribe, we're gonna like that. This here is the problem that I have with her.
No, it's not me. You keep saying it's me. It's not me at all.
So this side, this side of the bathroom is me and Jay's bath. It's me and Jay. This is me and Wife for Life. This section, because we've got Jay, who's giving Jay that section for himself. My practice, being a neat freak, is I tend to brush my teeth way back here. That way there's no splashes on it.
Me now? This is how I brush my teeth. Toothbrush, please. I brush it like that, so...
Okay, so here's what I'm saying, Jay. If I brush my teeth way back here, and she brushes her teeth in the sink, tell me how toothpaste splashes get on
BJ?
This is baking soda. For the last month, I've been using baking soda to brush my teeth.
It's not the nicest tasting thing, baking soda. Like that. So, yeah. Pat dry, as has been said. Let water. Gets off any excess dirt. Gets off any excess dirt.
What kind? Are you trying to say dirt all along?
Yeah. Get some water. Tea tree toner. And all over your face. Yes. Cleanse, tone, moisturize. That's what the extra how I focus on under my eyes. That's an intense moisturizer. Massage in a circular motion. Yeah. So that's my morning routine. My night routine is not so intense. I just wash my face there.
Hello, people! I was about to say, welcome back to Jello.
Wrong channel.
Hello,
people! It's a wonderful, beautiful sunny day in Switzerland.
I was about to say a sunny Saturday in Switzerland. We could add another S. A Sibas sunny Saturday in Switzerland. There you go.
Yes.
As you can see, we not too long woke up. You know, even though it's whoa.
No way. What time did we wake up?
minutes
No,
to 3.
we didn't long wake up. We've been up a few hours.
Yeah, we must have been up a few hours. We've been in the office chit-chatting,
Yeah.
you know, and we decided to turn this on and greet you guys. But I didn't realize that the time was clocking.
Time flies when you're having fun.
Yeah.
You know?
So I'm sure it's 5 o'clock somewhere in the morning
Yeah.
in the world,
In
somewhere.
the world, yes.
Yeah. We need to dispose of some trash.
Right, and we're going to show you guys how we do it in Switzerland.
And you guys might be wondering, why do you
Why?
want to show us how you dispose of trash?
Just put it in a black bag and put it in the trash can, huh? No.
That's how it works everywhere else in the world. Everywhere else in the world, we have a dumpster, and or if you don't have a dumpster, you just take the trash out on trash day.
Exactly.
And then the trash truck comes and pick it up.
Picks up the
But
bag.
not in Switzerland. Switzerland has to be unique and different.
Yeah, and you know what? They are so overwhelmingly into saving the planet.
Exactly,
Yeah,
exactly.
also
Recycling is a
Yes.
big thing here in Switzerland.
Yeah,
This
because-
cup is heavy.
Ha.
Great.
When we first came to Switzerland, this is our second time in Switzerland, by the way. The first time we came here, we were very young, fresh. We didn't know anything about Switzerland.
Nope.
As in England or as in Jamaica, where we've lived, we just dispose of our trash in black bags.
Yeah.
And then we put our black bags out in the street.
Waiting for the trash man to come and pick it up. But we got a mail instead.
Yes, we got a letter one day.
We had a
A
citation.
citation.
We were being warned. We were being
Exactly.
warned by the police that it's not allowed to put your trash
Black
out.
bags.
And you might be wondering, how did they know it's our bag? They actually went through the trash to see anything that has your last name or anything
Exactly.
that identifies you. How they do it here in Switzerland
Yeah.
is you have to go to the supermarket and you have to buy a special trash bag for your region.
Right.
The logic in it is the money that goes towards the trash bags
Yeah,
pays the trash department.
exactly.
So I see the logics in that.
And
you know?
every household, I think the minimum cost of these bags is 16 francs. So every household in Switzerland has to have these bags. Funny thing is that we went to England to visit our friend, and was putting things in the trash can. We were thinking, oh, there's cans in there, bottles in there,
Yeah.
cardboard in there. That's weird.
It's,
for us.
it's when you live anywhere in the world and you become accustomed to a certain practice or a certain routine.
Exactly.
When you go elsewhere
Yeah.
and you see it different, it does kind of like shock you
Yeah,
for a
it
second,
does.
bring you back to earth and let
Yeah.
you, oh, you're not home.
Yeah.
You know, this is a different world. This here is our paid trash bags.
35 litres.
35 litre.
Yes.
And in here we've got your regular trash bags. This is a regular black trash bag.
Yeah.
And what we do, everybody doesn't do it. This is just our practice.
Yeah.
People tend to just put the trash into the paid trash bag and it's good.
Right.
But we tend to also buy a regular trash bag. To use our trash bag wisely, we put rubbish in a black trash bag,
Yeah.
tie it, seal it, put it in here, and
Yes.
let it wait until we have more trash.
Exactly.
So, lock it up. Sometimes I'll put a hole in it just to get the hair out. You learn a lot of ways to compress trash. If you don't do that, otherwise you're gonna spend a fortune
Exactly.
on these bags.
I see some people, they just put one little bag in there, a few little pieces of rubbish, and then
Those are
You know?
people I think
it's
that
a waste.
doesn't know how to conserve
No,
or save money.
exactly.
But yeah, so
Yeah.
ready to go. Here it is. Okay. So yesterday, a couple days ago, I separated the cans and the bottles, so we're gonna dispose of those today as well. All right. So, alright, so I'll take the trash And we got the keys.
Yes.
Okay, let's do this. And yeah, this is our dumpster. Believe it or not.
Nice and shiny and soft.
So, an interesting dumpster. Yeah, there's some trash down there. Hey, there, the camera almost went in. Then I would have to go down there. Yep, that's it. Trash done. And we've got about a 3-minute walk to where we're gonna dispose the cans and bottles. This is for our cans. Here is for brown bottles. Here's for white bottles. Here's for green bottles. It's time consuming, but let Wife for Life do it in seconds. That's pretty much our Saturday work done. We've got pretty much nothing else to do today than just chillax at home.
Watch a little bit of TV.
Yeah.
Drink a glass of wine.
Yeah, without a doubt. We've got 2 footage that pretty much we can't apply to anything, so we're just gonna put it in there.
Yeah.
We have to share the fact that Wife for Life proved to me that she could get dressed in a minute.
Less than a minute.
Less than a minute. She said she got dressed in 2 seconds.
Yeah.
Check this out. I thought you was getting dressed. Aren't we going out?
Oh, okay. In 1 minute.
And then the next thing, well, she thought the hair in my nostril was bothering her, and she just had to have it. Fast now.
Right, I don't even know which end it is.
If you can't see, don't just pull anything. Lock it and then give it a hard pull. Oh! That's pretty much our vlog for the day.
This one's not really ready. It's young.
That's pretty much our vlog for the day.
As always, we enjoy making these videos for you, you know.
Yeah.
Leave a comment, tell us how we're doing.
Yeah. And we'll try to inject more entertainment, not the flies, but more entertainment in our future vlogs.
Yeah, definitely.
So,
thanks for watching. Ciao for now.
Ciao for now.
I'm going to attempt to get a grey nose. A
Great nose. Just like on YouTube, to give brain some new food. We are here in Antina.